Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make glass reflective in Lumion. And here is the glass I want to use. Simply click on it and you can select any type of glass here that you like the color. For me, this is the one I've selected this particular one, and that is the one I want to use. So let me double click on that, on this space, and I am going to, sorry, it has come back. Let me click on it again. Okay, so what I will do now is I will take the reflectivity up. I will take it up. The more it is, the more reflective it becomes, so that anything in front of it, it will reflect it. Let me take it up a little bit, because that is the beauty of glass. Okay, I think this reflectivity is okay. Then that is all. If you want to change the color, of the glass, you can do it there. Let's say I want it to be dark blue. I want it to be very dark blue, like navy blue, dark one. Okay, then I think I need to knock down the transparency. The transparency is too high. Let me knock it down a little bit. Okay, let me leave it at 0.5, and that is it. And I hope you benefit something from this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.